Welcome to Tuesday morning at 6:09 a.m. Pre-market futures, Nasdaq futures, gap open up, and then we'll do the NYSE. But what do we look for is where the upper end of the market within the pre-market gap futures start to change, and we only have one that meet the requirement, 1.00 ratio or higher. The rest of them are not. Now, on the flip side of that, the gap opened down. Of course, some of this is news related, but you have a very diminishing. So you don't have anything caving in on the gap down, gap open down, and or the gap open up on here. The trade management will be that once again, they have marked that we have re-leveraged up the calls. So we're going to sell into the rally here on Google. But we continue to mark the puts down just as a week ago and the week before that, we had marked down the call side to deflated areas where you couldn't help but make money. Now, the very opposite pendulum swing is taking place in the 630 put, the 625 put. These are weeklies. The Apple 395 put, which is a player. Yes, Apple's a great stock. We think that, hey, we think that Cook will deliver fine, but it's not the time. That's the gap open up. That's the gap open down on the Nasdaq comp. I will be moving to the NYSE. Trade management will be at the reversal bar when they slide half of the bid. You got to get net short. You can't wait 3 minutes and pay up $1.50. No. You've got to get them there as they're turning during the day, and you've got the big number coming out on Friday. You've got the threat of downgrading. We'll talk about that on the SMF radio show as far as worldwide economies go. We're not going to do that here now. I'm going to conclude that the gap opened up and that the trade management is to sell into the rally and marking down the put side within worldwide turmoil is that the put side has been marked down and the asset allocation model is yet to kick in. And basically, it's 12/6 of 2011. We'll talk about it in depth throughout the trading day, but more so, these topic subjects will be scheduled for the radio show so that there is a stiff archive of everything that MMTs can always go back on and listen to and learn from, ask questions from, but more importantly is the analysis is correct. And learning how markets are going to have to make changes moving forward in 2012. Gap open up is weak. Selling into strength. Volume's going to be lighter today. And it will be held hostage until Friday. Geithner is over there in Germany with Merkel, Sarkozy, all of those other things will be discussed at that time.